Hello, in front of me I've got IIYAMA G-Master. In this video I'll show you how to assemble or disassemble this monitor. In the beginning, prepare Phillips head screwdriver and remove 4 screws or install these 4 screws located at the back of your monitor. Once it's done, we have to lift the monitor stand up. And it's done. To remove the stand from the leg, take a look at the bottom right here, unscrew this screw, and then you can lift this part up. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.